Aslakam. Hello, my name is Jawaad Farooqui, and welcome back to Lesson 3 of Drakaanjhi 101. This time, we will be going over basic punctuation symbols. With that out of the way, let us begin. So the first symbol I want to direct your attention to are these two symbols known as kroshi. These symbols are unique to Drakaanjhi because the Drakaanjhi alphabet does not have lowercase or capital letters. The letters all remain the same size. So, how do you tell what word is a proper noun? Well, you use these, the kroshi symbols. These function like parentheses, and as the definition here says, they are placed at the beginning and end of certain words to denote proper nouns. These symbols are basically parentheses, but they are used in a more radically different way than parentheses in the English language. So, for example, if you were to write your name, you would put this symbol in front of your name, write out your name, and then you would end it with this symbol, so that way people would know that it's a proper noun. And then from the context clues of the sentence, they would probably guess it was your name. Drakaanjhi is a very contextual language, as you will see as this series continues, and because of that, there is a need for certain symbols like these. Now, after the kroshi symbols, here we have the period, which is known as a rekar fishba, a stop mark, and this is used to indicate that a sentence has come to an end, just like a period in English. And then below that, we have the bucho fishba, the question mark, which is used to denote a question. And then we have the koreshiren fishba, the exclamation mark, which is used to express a command or a statement of excitement, same as an exclamation point in English. And then below that, we have the comma, which is known as a dushri. And a comma in Drakaanjhi is used the same way as a comma in English. It is used to indicate a pause in a sentence, but it does not indicate a stop. Now, the next symbol we have is the apostrophe, or mako. Now, this is unique because this did not actually exist in the Drakaanjhi language until they made contact with the Makovian people, and I will explain more about that in a separate video. But for now, this is an apostrophe, and it's known as a mako, and a unique quality about the apostrophes in Drakaanjhi is that they are also used as quotation marks. If you put two makos together, you will get quotation marks, and that's what they are used in Drakaanjhi. It's similar to how quotation marks function in English as well. Quotation marks do not have a separate key on the Drakaanjhi keyboard. They use the same key as the apostrophe. So you would have to type two apostrophes to indicate quotation. Now, the next symbol after that is the semicolon, which is known as an adan jarusi. Bit of a mouthful, but that's what it's called, adan jarusi, and it's used the same way as a semicolon in English. It's used to connect two sentences that can also stand as separate sentences on their own. And then the final symbol for today is the normal jarusi, which looks like this and is used in exactly the same way as a colon in English. This is the semicolon, this is the normal colon, this is called an adan jarusi, and this is just known as a jarusi. And with that, we have come to the end of lesson 3. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Next lesson, we will be going over the basic rules of Drakaanjhi, which you can probably see on screen below you, but that is for next week. Again, my name has been Jawaad Farooqui, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Khaten Zana!